welcome back to my channel. So y'all, I got sick yesterday. My uvula swole up, but I'm okay because it's still going down. I had to record this video because I'm cutting the hair today. It's time to fix the mess, okay? Let me just explain what happened real quick, y'all. So last time I cut my hair, I didn't get it all the way short and it was so uneven. It was like short over here, that's why it looked darker, and shades over here, but it's growing back. And when I shaved it, it was more in the middle, but I couldn't tell because my hair wasn't blonde. That's when I put the blonde, the cinnamon brown on it. But when I dyed it back blonde, you can see exactly what I did. That's what's funny. So I'm going to be shaving it as low as I can go today because I really do want it low. It's just time to do a big cut. So we are going to cut this because I look a mess. So let's fix the mess. Let's get into this video. Okay, so disclaimer, if y'all hear a lot of noise, that's my dog down here chewing on everything I got. Also, I look like I just woke up because I did, and my voice is still coming back, so bear with me. So I'm gonna first comb this out. I'm gonna use one of my picks from my clippers. It's just because my hair's short and it really helps. I'm gonna comb all of this out. So I can't believe I left all this hair on last time I cut my hair. And it's crazy because I just couldn't get it, you know? And it was like in the front. So I'm like, how did I not get this? It's so weird. So just picking this out. And I'm gonna let my mom do the back for me because I can't always miss hair when I do it. Like, I left so much hair on here, guys. Let's start cutting. I look so freaking tired. Oh my god, let's just start cutting. So I got the smallest guards on here because I'm getting these things small. They're getting this shape. So let me always make sure that this is sturdy when you hear the clip, because y'all don't want this accidentally coming out and you shaving like all your hair off. You get like a full bald spot in the middle of your head, and then you'll have to shave your hair for real. So just be careful and make sure it's on there really tight. Should not be able to come out. Get your towel because hair is gonna get everywhere. I do this every time. It's like a whole tutorial, guys. So let's just start cutting. That's the fun part. Now, I think I'm gonna go down first. Ooh. And it's funny because I always feel so ugly when I do my hair, like when my hair is not done. So I've been feeling really ratchet, y'all. I need everything to really match this side because it's so low. So that's what I'm trying to do today, or get it as like low as possible. So I always love cutting my hair, y'all. This be the best part. But today I was on a mission to like make all of this match. I was like, I got something to do. I look like a baby bird. This hair was rat shit. Also, remember when I cut my hair, the blonde is gonna, most of the blonde is gonna leave because it's on the end. So I'm cutting all this off. It was just time. It was time to cut it, get it even. We had to do what we had to do. I was on a mission. That side look a mess. It's like, girl, get it together. So going down with the clippers, I always do that first because it don't take off all the hair. So when I was doing it, it looked like nothing was coming out because nothing really was. It was kind of like the smaller things. So next I'm going to be going up a little bit, and then I'm going to let my mom finish going up with it because she can get all the hair. So it's what I do every time. It's smart because you want to make sure you get it all going down because you can go many directions. That's why, y'all, I plan on going to the barbershop one day because I'm going to get a fade on the side because I was like, they'll hook me up. I ain't got time for this. Clippers, you know, girls, we be doing our hair and you know, we get it done, but I really do want them to like fix all of this up. So I'm definitely going one day this summer. That's what I do know. But y'all, I had to get my stuff together because look at me. I was like, thank God we getting this together because I still look a mess, but the outcome was perfect. So it's always worth it in the end. It's just a process. You got to just fix it. Okay, so that was me going down with it all around my head. Now I'm going to go up a little because it's already really, really short, but it's still thick. And I can easily keep it like this, but no, we gotta fix this because the back I'm gonna have to go up, and the side I need this to match over here. So I really need this to be going up a little bit like this. So I might just go up a little bit with it because it get really, really short. Yeah, I say it all the time because that noise is so annoying. Now I'm going up, and it's going to take more of the hair off. You can tell it's also going to look darker because the blonde is getting shaved off. That's why it's smart to go up because you get all the excess hair you missed from before. I always just make sure I go up. So y'all not going to see it, but I'm going to, after this, I'm going to let my mom go up, and she's going to fix all of this for me and line me up. And y'all will see the finished look at the end because it ended up looking so good. And I was like, dang, I should have called her earlier, girl. And this is the finished look, guys. I finally got it finished. My mom finished it for me. She went all the way up and she matched it because I can't see it in the back of my head. And we had to match the sides because it's going back out. We are good, matched it. Full 360 for you guys. And my cat just mean mugged me. But I like how it looked because I really needed to cut, y'all. It was like time to cut this stuff. Now I gotta finish this look. I'm gonna be doing make a video on my next video, so check that out. I'm actually gonna I'm thinking about creating a reaction channel, y'all, because I really want to react to like WWE and stuff like that, TV shows and movies, because I'm always watching reaction channels, and I'm always watching TV shows. And I try to talk about WWE a little bit on here, but I kind of want to just stick to it. I'll talk about that later, but I'm going to keep this page with just like my beauty page and like fashion, beauty, makeup, fashion. That's all I'm doing. And well, maybe, I was still doing my college, like a little college talk when I was in school, or just like just a really girly page. That's what this is. Inspiration when I want to, but mainly my beauty page. Okay, so that's what I'll keep it as. But I'm thinking about making a reaction channel. I'll see probably later though. So on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, I Am Tatyana Green. Follow my blog, I Am Tatyana. Follow my makeup page, Makeup with Tatyana. I will see you guys in the next video. Finally, I'm back because I don't feel ratchet no more, y'all. Now I just gotta get this together.